The Air Zoom GT Cut EP is a basketball shoe designed with strong inspiration from New York street culture. It features a bold orange pulse upper that delivers an energetic and eye-catching look. The lightweight mesh construction promotes breathability and comfort, making it suitable for high-intensity play. Detailed stitching adds durability while enhancing the overall visual appeal. A Persian Violet Swoosh contrasts beautifully against the orange base, while a bright violet heel layer provides both structure and style. The heel also includes a New York inscription, reinforcing the city influence. The multicolored outsole, highlighted by a purple sole, offers reliable traction, grip, and long-lasting performance. Design details such as the N212 white-hung branding and tri-state area text underneath celebrate New York's cultural identity. Built for performance yet styled for everyday wear, the Air Zoom GT Cut EP blends basketball function with modern street fashion. It is a versatile sneaker that reflects energy, movement, and urban expression in one complete package.